Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping in for another special STEM project. Today, it's Incline planes. And you're wondering, what is that? You see the picture of the slide, right? Okay, so what is an incline plane? Well, it is a simple machine, and it's a ramp. Such as our little feather friend finds out. Now, one end is higher than the other, and it makes things easier to move up and down. So we see, where's the incline plane at? Can you point to it? Oh, very good, very good. Now, Ty carries a box. Now, how will he get it in the truck? He will use, an incline plane or a ramp. All aboard. A trolley travels up a ramp. And can you see where the incline plane is? You can't see it that well in this picture, but the trolley is going up, right? So, up an incline plane. See the moving belt? It is a ramp. It lifts our bags. So if you ever been to an airport or somewhere where bags have to be moved really fast and in a hurry and carefully, you'll see lots of those around. Very good. Now, Ray uses a wheelchair. How does he get to the door? Very good, using a ramp. Awesome. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of these in your school, or maybe different businesses have ramps so that folks who are like Ray in wheelchairs or have, maybe difficulty walking, it'll be a little easier with a ramp. Oh, now ramps can be fun. Rides take us high. Ramps get us there. How many people like roller coasters? Or maybe you're not that high yet to ride this? Okay, well, how about it? Do you like looking at it? But do you see the ramps? That's right. Now, we all know this one, or maybe this is new. A slide is a ramp. And just like this fun one is doing, what is she saying? Whee! That's right. Fun, right? Going up and down a slide. Now, how do you use incline planes? Can you think about that? How do you in your regular life? Do you use planes if you skateboard? Maybe skateboard parks have these type of ramps, right? Going up the steps, that's a ramp, absolutely. Of course, we always say slide, so if you go to a playground, that's right. Okay, so that is our introduction to incline planes. Now we're going to make a real simple one, okay? And this is Machines and Motion Incline Planes from Bullfrog Books. Okay, so we do have these here if you're interested. Now we're going to do a real simple one, right? Now, what I have is 2 pieces of cardboard. So I have one at the ramp and one to support it. So you can do the same thing as well, or you can use books and take a piece of cardboard and also slant it up against books. That will work as well. Now, to make it interesting to make the skis, we're using our craft sticks or popsicle sticks. And you want to take glue and, of course, glue them together. Now, it took me a while, so I just went ahead and completed my little ski critter. Hello, ski critter. So, our ski critter is on skis. We have 2 pom-poms, little pipe cleaner arms, and for the eyes, some googly eyes. Okay, so we're going to see if this incline plane works. Okay, let's find out. So, we're going to put our critter at the top of the hill. I'm going to clear out the path, and let's see. Whee! It works. So the surface is smooth. The surface of the skis also smooth. So how easy was that? And once again, we're going to take our critter to the top, and we're going to do a countdown. Ready? We're going to count backwards from 3, 2, 1. Ski down. Awesome. Very, very good. Alright, so now why even do this? Now this is simple science because, believe it or not, you made a machine. Okay, so this simple machine, not only for our ski critter friend, you can also try other objects, such as a pencil. I'm going to roll that down. Very good. We have pom-poms. Who doesn't like pom-poms? Let's see if we can make a good old-fashioned pom-pom roll, all right? On this side, ready? 3, 2, 1, roll down. Very good. And also, I'm going to try now this. We have a little plastic container. And I'm just going to clear it away for this. Let's see how this rolls down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm going to let it go. There it is. Okay? So it's very, very easy. Very simple. You can use 2 pieces of cardboard. Now I use clamps. But if you don't have clamps, that's fine. You can use heavy duty tape if you have it. Or if it's just secure enough to lean up against the other, that's also fine as well. Okay, and that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed learning about incline planes, aka a ramp, and how fun it is and how cute it is to make our own little ski critter. So while there's no snow on the ground to really ski around, you can make your ramp, and also how fun it is if more than one person does it, and you can race each other. Ready? One last time for the road. Give me a countdown. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Releasing. So this is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thanks for stopping by. Stay curious, stay experimenting, or keep on researching and doing experiments. And until we meet again, be safe and so long for now.